Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get Calamity Seal. So if you want to, I have, as you can see, plenty and I can give it to you. So just write your name and I send to you as quick as possible. But if you want to get Calamity Seal for yourself, first you need to go to Academy Island and complete this quest here. Just go here and then you will see this Demonite Core quest. Just talk to him and enable quest, and then you need to find two Demonite cores. First will be here. As you can see here, and second one will be on the top of this castle on the right. Once you collect these two basically balls, you just need to go back to that particular NPC and talk to him, and then you will unlock basically to have Calamity Seals. And then higher level NPCs will drop it for you, like Academy Teachers here, Arena Fighters in C1, and other NPCs in C2 as well. So it needs to be a little bit higher level. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you want to get Calamity Seal. If I help you out, please press like, subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.